Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Analytics and connect it to your online store using WordPress. What I'm also going to show you is how to set up your Google Console account. So basically, if you want your website to show on Google, you need to ensure that Google Console is set up. So what we're first going to do, we're going to go to plugins, and we are going to download a plugin called Google Site Kit. So you're just going to click add new. Then you're going to search Google Site Kit. Make sure you type the full name and all in small caps. We're going to click install now. And we're going to activate. Okay, and now we're going to click this button to start setup, and we're going to follow all the prompts. I'm going to click connect Google setup. Then we say sign in with Google. So you just have to make sure that you have a Google email account. Then what you want to do is you want to verify, and just follow the prompts. And then they also allow you to set up a search console, see how people find your site on Google search, have Google add your website to the search console for you and connect it to SiteKit, and that's exactly what you want. And now Google's just gonna help you configure the website onto your own account. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll up. So these are all the different websites that I have. You're gonna go down to set up a new account. You wanna put the name here. And all you want to do is just go create account. Do you is that you want to select your region. So I'm going to select South Africa. Then I have to click this prompt. And then we say accept. So now you've successfully set up your Google Analytics. It's probably, as you can see, it's still gathering data. So maybe give it a day or two. What we're going to do, since we're on Google SiteKit, we're going to go to settings. And we can see everything's set up here, page insights. But if you want to set up tag manager, So this is basically like a pixel. It will be very necessary for us to track tag manager. So it's literally snippets of code that we embed onto a website that helps Google know if the traffic has navigated to a certain page. So if you've got a Google tag, let's say on your shop page, the Google tag will track how many people have been onto your shop page and show that information on Google Analytics. So it's basically allows you to track data onto your website in more detail. And then again, select your account, you set up a new account. Say create an account. Now what you're going to do is just put in the details, the site's name, make sure you got the right country. Container name, you can say www. Put your company's name there. And you're gonna click web. And you're gonna go create. You're gonna accept data processing. You're gonna say yes. Okay. So if we didn't have Google Site Kit, the plugin, we would have to download this code and embed it onto the different pages of the website. But we don't have to do that because we've got the plugin. Then we're just going to click submit. And then version name, you're going to put your version 1. And then all we got to do is click publish. And here we go. We have successfully made our tag very, very live. Tags, triggers, and variables. And now what we are going to do is we are going to go to Google Analytics. This is going to go to the top of the header tab. You're going to click down and you should just scroll down. And there's Market Joe there. Click Market Joe. And you're going to click the first option. You're going to open. Probably is no data here. I'm still configuring. But this is going to be your dashboard for Google Analytics. As you can see, no data received from your website. So yeah, that is pretty much how you set up your Google Analytics, how you set up your Google console, and how you set up your Google tag using the Google Site Kit plugin for WordPress.